Whimsical monster stories are taking over social media feeds and pulling in millions of views right now. You have probably seen these expressive characters, like Labubu getting massive engagement with their mischievous daily adventures. In this tutorial, you will see exactly how to create your own high-end character animation series, step by step from scratch. Start by clicking the link for the Labubu Whimsical Adventures GPT in the description. It opens right inside your ChatGPT dashboard. Click on the Start Chat button to begin. Now type in a simple setting or activity for your episode. For this example, type Labubu goes camping in the woods and hit enter. The GPT immediately gets to work and generates a 5-scene story arc for you. It follows a specific narrative structure, starting with the arrival and ending with a signature sign-off pose. Look at the output and you will see 5 distinct scenes. Each scene has a descriptive header, followed by a specific physical action and facial expression for Labubu. Underneath each description, you will find a focused image prompt inside a gray code block. These code blocks are designed for efficiency, so just click the copy button in the top right corner of the first block. Now you have your first scene prompt ready to go. You could manually go to Google Flow and paste these prompts one by one into the Nano Banana 2 model to generate your images, and then use VO 3.1 Fast for your videos. However, there is a much faster way to scale your content production without the manual grind. In this video, we are using an automated Airtable system to handle the heavy lifting. This means you only have to set it up once, and then you can generate entire seasons of content just by thinking of episode ideas. To get started with this shortcut, go to our school community using the link in the description. Head over to the lesson for this specific Labubu workflow. Inside that lesson, you will find the exact master prompts and the Airtable template link. Click that link and select duplicate to copy the template into your own Airtable workspace. This is where the magic happens. You will see a table with a column labeled Episode Idea. Simply type your idea like Labubu goes camping or Labubu builds a robot into that cell. Now click the automation button at the top of the table. The system automatically sends your idea to the GPT instructions we provided and populates the narrative prompts for all 5 scenes. It then connects directly to the image generation API to create your visuals based on those prompts. Once the images are generated, the system moves them to the video generation phase using the VO 3.1 Fast model. It applies the correct motion settings to turn those static bakery or camping scenes into cinematic clips. You don't have to click generate 50 times or wait for each individual render. Everything is organized in your Airtable rows, ready for download. Now that your clips are ready, you need the perfect whimsical soundtrack. Open CapCut and go to the music library. Type playful orchestral or whimsical comedy into the search bar. Listen through the tracks and find something with high energy that matches Labubu's mischievous personality. Download your favorite track. Stay inside CapCut and move to the Sound Effects tab. Search for specific sounds like flower dusting or bubbles popping to match your scene beats. These small audio details make the character feel alive. Now it is time to bring it all together in CapCut. Click on Create a New Project and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical video. Import your 5 video clips and your audio files. Drag the video clips onto the timeline in the order of the story arc. Align each clip so the visual action matches what the narrator is saying. Drop your music track onto the bottom layer and pull the volume slider down to about 20% so it doesn't drown out the voice. Add your sound effects at the exact moments Labubu pokes the dough or strikes a pose. Trim the ends of the clips so the transitions are snappy and fast-paced. When you are happy with the flow, click Export and save the video in 1080p. Your professional character story is finished, but you need to post it consistently to see growth. You could upload manually to every platform, but it is better to automate your publishing. If you want a solid free option, use Metricool to schedule your posts. For the absolute best experience and more control, use Vista Social. Upload your video to the dashboard and write a catchy caption. You can schedule that one video to go out as a YouTube short, a TikTok and an Instagram reel all at the same time. This allows you to build a massive audience across every platform while you focus on coming up with your next episode idea. Everything you need to get started, including the custom GPT and the Airtable automation, is waiting for you inside the school community. Just click the link in the description and I will see you there.